Hey y'all, it's Shiny Shockley here. I'm an actress, but I'm bartending because we're not on strike, but the contracts are still being signed, y'all. So after doing my face routine, I was like, let me use my lip butter because I want my lips to have that even tone look. So if you're a smoker of cigarettes or weed, this is literally the product for you, or you just have darker lips like me where you want an even lip color, right? So I put it on. First of all, this smells so amazing, you guys. Oh my God, it has the kojic acid in it as well. That's why it has that orange color. But you want to put on a nice thick layer, clean it up, don't mush it in, and just leave it for overnight. You're literally supposed to sleep in this. In the morning, you'll see what we do. So here we go. Yes, y'all, this is me in the morning. I was rough. It was rough. I didn't go to bed till almost 2:30. But as you see, I'm like, okay, let me get it together. Where is my brush? So you want to use a soft bristled toothbrush and you want to just exfoliate it into your lips. It's obviously already absorbed. We want to make sure that we're exfoliating hold on, y'all. Exfoliating our lips very, very gently. Okay. And this also helps your lips to be smooth. And then when you apply lipstick the next day or whatever, of course, it's going to give you a nice smooth look. So I have some face oil and I was like, oh, you know what? Let me just put a little on my lip. And just like that, we are done. Look how smooth my lips are, you guys. Mwah.